Okay guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we got an '09 Honda CRV. We're gonna change the transmission fluid. Something you should do on your CRV every 30,000 miles. I recommend it, but here it is. We got 3 quarts. I do got more on the standby mode, so your dipstick is literally right there where we can fill it up from right there. And we're gonna go down below and drain the fluid. And also on this vehicle, I'm changing the solenoid for pressure switch clutch number 3. So that'd be a separate video. So I will mix and match 2 videos. So here we are. So we're gonna need a 3x8 drive ratchet that's gonna fit over here perfectly. And make sure you get it in there counterclockwise, meaning I'm gonna yank this towards me, and that should break loose the grip on that. So it's gonna shoot out, so be careful. So what I want to do here is I do want to catch this on the camera, and got my bucket down below, and I'm gonna just let it shoot down, and there you go. Perfect. That's a good aiming. You do want to clean this, and then new crush washer if you have it. Customer didn't buy it. I am the customer into this case, but get yourself a new crush washer. Put that on, clean this up, and we'll put this back in. And after that, we will top off the fluid. I'm gonna put this cover back. So far looking good. There's our transmission fluid, looking really dirty. So it's been good 15 minutes. Transmission fluid has drained out. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our drain plug, catch the threads. It's nice and clean. And all we're gonna do is take our tool. We're just gonna go clockwise now, and that should snug up our drain plug there. Perfect. Well, we can go to the top, wipe off this excessive oil so it doesn't fall in dry away, clean that up, and we'll move on to our filling up the transmission fluid. So I did pre-open all the bottles. I got one on the floor, got 3 tops here. So what I like to do is pull this dipstick out, just leave it to the side. I'm gonna get a funnel now. So I got me an long funnel. I only use this for transmission fluids, and I do clean it up, blow air in it, and make sure you get it right down in there in the bottom. And then you got to go a little bit slow, because it needs to breathe a bit, because if you don't do that, it's gonna bubble up, or it's gonna come down through that tube right there. But this is what it is. Here we are, finishing out. So I'm gonna dump all 3 in there, and then I'm gonna double check. Let's put this to the side, because I like to put tops back on before throwing in the garbage, so it just doesn't keep dripping. Like I said, go slow, let it breathe, so no leaks. This is what this baby looks like. There you go. That's 2. Okay. And 3. Okay. If you want to put 2.9, you could do that, and double check. Make sure you go slow, because if you can put a little bit less and check, it's not going to kill the transmission. But if you put too much, you're going to have to drain it out, and you might not be able to stop the flow and dump it all out. But anyways, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just check my fluid level. You have to warm up the car, then cut it off and check the fluid level. But go through each cycle of each gear. And after that, we'll follow up with if the flashing light is gone. But this was just for this, how to flush out your transmission fluid on a 2009 Honda CRV. Should do it every 30,000 miles. Fluid, it's like $9 a quart, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and give it a thumbs up. See you guys on the next video. Last but not least, you do need to put this back in. This little notch right here has to match up with the notch on that, and it's kind of facing like that way. And sometimes these guys just don't go in so easy. Okay, you can also measure the fluid that you took out and put back the same amount of fluid. but sometimes that could be inaccurate. Anyways, thank you for watching my video.